Hello and welcome to this demo of yLauncher where I'll show you what the application does and what you can use it for. We've already logged in into a Salesforce org and you can see the homepage here. We're on the Sales app by default, and you can see in the bottom bar, in the utility bar, that we have yLauncher there. So we've already installed it, added to this application, and there's a couple of ways in which you can open it. Either just click it and it will appear in the middle, or you can also click Control-Shift-Y. So if you just type Control-Shift-Y at the same time, it will also pop up. So that's the fastest way in which you can open the launcher. From the launcher, you can open custom links. So those are links that maybe people in the company use quite a lot. For example, to the intranet, to the help desk website, to different pieces of documentation that they usually need access to the company website, things like that. And you can also run commands. So as it says there, you can just type / and you will see all the commands are available on this screen. Usually on every screen you have open, so you can open the specified app. If I just type open and then space, you can see all the applications that usually you would find in the app launcher. However, this is much faster because you can just type whatever you want, and then you can use the arrows up and down. You can also click and it will open the app for you. Let's open it again. Other things you can do, you can create new records, so you can just type new and then I want to create a new account, and you get the form to create a new account. Once you open it, you can just click away or click close to get rid of it. And as you see, it's quite fast to pop it up. So another thing you can do is run. So you can run specified flows, but only the admin has the ability to say which flows you can run. So you can type run and then space, and you will see if there are any flows that you can run on that page. Good. So we are actually an admin here. You can see we have the cog icon to the right. And what we're going to do is add some custom links. So I'm going to click the cog. You get to the settings. As you can see, everything is quite easy to use. And we have custom links and flow actions. So let's enable custom links. I'm going to enable that, save my settings, and then I'm going to add some custom links. So for example, that one, intranet, is actually going to go to google.com. This is our intranet, and you can add as many custom links as you would like to have. Usually any link that your user base will need quick access to. Instead of having them maybe as bookmarks on your browser, it may be difficult to keep track of all of those for your user base. If they're used to being in Salesforce most of the time, then this is the easiest way for them to access. As soon as you save it, you can just click close and it will appear there. So as you open yLauncher, you will see all the custom links. You can just click it and it will open in a new tab. Good. Let's find out what we can do with flows. So I've created a flow here where we just get an account ID, and then we show the description on a screen flow, and that's it, just to show. Now when we go to a record page, so let's go to an account, for example this one, and then we open the launcher and we type / to see the commands. You will see that we have 3 more commands. So we can edit the record, we can clone it, we can delete it. If I just type edit, we have the edit window. If I type clone, we have the clone window, and delete will delete the record. Now the flow that I created is perfect for my account page. I could add the button here, but there comes a point where it may be something that is not actioned very often, and maybe I only want to have the buttons that are used most often actually on the page. A way for me to reduce clutter on the page would be to move some of those buttons to the launcher, which is also much easier to find from a user's point of view, because you know that any action will be on the launcher. It may take you a while to find where the button is here, or where you actually, what tab it is, but otherwise in the launcher you can just go straight to the flow, to the action that you want to perform. So we're in the hat of the admin right now. I want to give users access to the flow I created, but I want to do it just through the launcher. So I'm going to go to my settings, flow actions. I want to enable flow actions. I'm going to add a new one, which is show account summary. I'm going to put the API name just quickly. I think that's the one. Just copy paste that. And a description. This one is self-explanatory. And then, because it only works with accounts, I actually want to restrict it that only appears as an action on the account records. So here, if I click the restrictions or the log icon, I can restrict it to account and say it's only allowed on the account record pages. So that's one. And the other is we actually need to pass the account ID to it. So I can click the variables icon, add a variable, and then the name of my variable in the flow is account ID. So account ID is going to be my record ID. And you can pass a string, a number, or a boolean, like a checkbox. So I have everything now in my flow. I can save changes. I can close this. And now if I type run space, I can see the flows are available for me to use on this page. I can just select it and it will open the account summary page flow within it. Whatever you have there. So as you can see here, it's not doing much. But essentially that's what the launcher can do. It can show you links that are used across the board for all our users, and it can show you quick actions that you can do. Essentially, you would use it to move faster in Salesforce. If you're a power user and you move much faster with your keyboard, then you will find this is a much faster way of working within Salesforce and moving around, performing actions. And also you can declutter your record pages by just moving the actions to the launcher. Thank you.